In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT4 with Oanda. This is a complete, up-to-date walkthrough for 2026, taking you from setup to your first basic trades. One quick note up front, Oanda has been transitioning some regions to MetaTrader 5. If your account portal still offers MetaTrader 4, you can follow along exactly as shown. If you don't see MT4 in your portal, you may be on MT5 instead. Start by creating an MT4 sub-account inside your Oanda dashboard, sometimes called the hub. Log in, open the accounts area, and add a new sub-account. When prompted, select MetaTrader 4 as the platform and set a secure password you'll remember. After saving, take note of 3 details displayed in your dashboard: your MT4 account number, the password you set, and the exact server name. You'll use these to sign in to MT4. Next, download and install the official Oanda build of MetaTrader 4 from the platform page on Oanda's site. Run the installer on your computer, and if you plan to use mobile, grab the MT4 app from your device's store and select the Oanda server later. On desktop, open MT4 and go to File, then Log in to Trade Account. Enter your MT4 account number as the login, the MT4 password you created, and choose the exact Oanda server name shown in your dashboard. Click Login. If the server list doesn't show the right one, go to File, Open an Account, hit the plus icon, type Oanda to search, select the correct server, and complete the login. Once connected, get comfortable with the main areas. Market Watch lists all available symbols to trade. Charts are where you analyze price action and apply indicators. The terminal at the bottom displays open trades, account history, exposure, and alerts. The navigator lets you switch accounts and manage indicators and expert advisors. The top menu and toolbars give quick access to timeframes, drawing tools, and new orders. If a panel is missing, open the View menu to toggle it back on. To place a market order, right-click a symbol in Market Watch and choose New Order. Confirm the symbol, set your volume in lots, add a stop loss and take profit if desired, then click Buy or Sell to execute immediately. For faster entries, enable one-click trading under Tools, Options, then Trade. On any chart, turn on one-click trading and use the small panel to buy or sell instantly. Use this only when you're comfortable with rapid execution. To schedule entries at a future price, use pending orders. In the order window, choose Buy Limit or Sell Limit for entries below or above the current price, or Buy Stop and Sell Stop for breakouts. Set the exact price, then place the order. That's it. If MT4 isn't available in your region, check Oanda's MT5 option. Otherwise, you're ready to connect, navigate, and place trades on MT4 with Oanda. As always, practice on a demo account before going live and double-check symbol, volume, and risk settings before you click Send.